Hello everyone and welcome in our new video. In today's video, we are again gonna learn very awesome drawings. As shown in the video, in the first drawing, we can learn how to make a cat who has sharp teeth, big eyes and big eyebrows, long tail who is walking on. Will perform the steps as shown in the video. After drawing the face and the body of the video, we will draw the land on which the cat is walking and then we'll draw some clouds to make it more realistic. And then after completing the drawing, we'll color it. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make guy who has a big fox face. He has large ears, large eyes, sharp nose and has a smiling mouth. We will perform these steps as shown in the video by firstly drawing the face of the guy, which is a fox face, and then we will draw the body. After completing the drawing, we will color the drawing. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make a dragon with a huge face. The dragon has large thorns, big nose, big eyebrows and large beards. We will draw the face of the dragon as shown in the video, his goofy eyes, and then we will draw the body of the dragon. After completing the drawing of the dragon, we will color it with different shades of colors. Moving on to the next drawing of today's video, we can learn how to make a boy who is flying an aeroplane in the sky. The boy is wearing glasses as we can see in the drawing. The boy is flying the sky with birds and clouds. We will first draw the boy and the aeroplane by performing the steps as shown in the video, and then we will draw some clouds and birds in the background to make it more realistic. After completing the drawing and performing the steps as shown in the video, we will color it as shown in the video with different shades of colors. Here is the drawing ready. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we will learn how to make a cute cartoon with his pet. We will start by drawing the big cartoon who has a heart on his head, and then we will draw the pet who is dancing beside him and the cartoon is also dancing. After completing the drawing, we will color the heart by red color and color the cartoons with different colors as shown in the video, and the drawing is hereby completed. Moving forward to the next drawing of today's video, we will learn how to make a cute cartoon with a monkey face, big hat and an antenna on the head. Firstly, we'll draw the antenna and the face of the cartoon. The cartoon also has a handkerchief on his neck. We will perform the steps as shown in the video to draw the cartoon, and after completing the drawing of the cartoon which has a monkey face, we will color it. Moving on to the next drawing of today's video, we will learn how to make a really beautiful and big basket which is full of fruits. Firstly, we will draw the basket which consists a lot of fruits like pineapple, apple, guava, watermelon, etc. Firstly, we'll draw the basket and then the fruits as shown in the video, and after performing the steps of the video, we will color the basket and the fruits with different colors as shown in the video, and the basket is ready. Thank you for watching the video.